What is AI and how is it part of the future? It is projected that artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence by 2025. This will be a huge issue when people are replaced by AI-powered robots to do daily activities. Many are already starting to raise concerns about it, while others are gladly accepting it. And in today's video, we'll look at what artificial intelligence is and how it will affect our lives in the future. Hello and welcome to the AI universe. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press on the notification bell icon to get updates on all our latest videos. What is AI? Is the first question that we will be answering today. The goal of artificial intelligence is to create intelligent computers that can do human-like activities like thinking, talking, learning, and so on. It is predicted that by 2030, people with better AI would have greater control over the planet. In the next 2 decades, it is said that AI will take over the world. AI robots will take over about 60% of the work currently performed by humans. Even though many people may lose their employment, many new jobs will be created, and the human species will grow further and be able to reach new heights. Some people might think that this is all made up, but that is not the case anymore. It is something that is surrounding us in our day-to-day activities. Self-driving vehicles are already a reality, and Tesla is the market leader in this area. More and more companies are working to make self-driving technology more affordable and accessible to everyone. Smart robots, on the other hand, are already taking over the manufacturing and scientific industries. Virtual assistants, such as Siri and Alexa, are another key AI technology that we encounter in our daily lives. Facial recognition systems, social networking sites, and all online searches use AI to improve user experience. Machine learning is allowing the human race to expand its boundaries. Furthermore, advancements in neural networks have resulted in the creation of a new field known as deep learning. These learnings are classified into 2 types, guided learning and unguided learning. But what exactly do such terms mean? Guided learning makes use of data and results to teach itself about the world. Unguided learning, on the other hand, uses data without outcomes to generate its results. This is the primary difference between these 2 words. These are only a few examples of what artificial intelligence is capable of. There's a lot more to this than self-driving vehicles and robots that can think like humans. This is only the current stage of AI. It began with a simple mobile phone and has now progressed to high-end smartphones. Similarly, AI developments will reach new heights and open new opportunities in the next decades. It is said that today's smartphone is significantly superior to the computer used in the Apollo machine that landed people on the moon. It is estimated that although AI will eliminate 75 million jobs over the next decade, it will also create 130 million new employments. On the other side, as a result of this, new space discoveries, space colonization, smarter living, green energy, and a worldwide military will be established. The current stage of AI is referred to as narrow AI. Narrow AI is a subset of AI that depends on human programming to complete tasks. These are machines that are solely capable of executing certain human functions. We can use this to kill people and fight wars, or we can use it to construct buildings on distant worlds like Mars. It is up to us how we use it. Whatever we decide on, it will do things that it was programmed to do. This is a special type of narrow AI that has no thinking capability of its own. So what is the next stage? What does it have in stores for us? The next generation of AI will be conscious AI, which will be able to think and act like humans, or exhibit human-like behavior. According to researchers, it is impossible to construct such a high degree of AI with existing technology. This, they think, will happen in a few decades, and no one knows what will happen after this is developed. They are not completely sure that it will appear. Some say that humans will never be able to develop AI further, and that we will never reach the second stage of AI development. The major problem that we are going to face in developing such AI is its ability to showcase emotions, feeling, or creativity. Can these things ever be programmed? But we're all curious to see what an AI with thinking capabilities looks like. Here are some of the characteristics that experts predict the future generation of AI will feature. They say that if ever developed, the AI will be able to take its own decisions, have emotions like humans, feel things like taste, smell, etc., have creativity and rational thinking. But no logic in this world is capable of making machines do such things. So we will have to do it. When we cannot see it, why do people fear the second generation of AI? This is because humans are always at war with one another. We live in a society where there are never-ending battles over topics like power, conflict of interest, and so on. So if the AI is given the same emotion, the outcome will be the same. AI will also battle for freedom, political goals, power, and other reasons. This might eventually lead to AI realizing that the human race is its biggest enemy. As a result, the battle between AI and humans will begin, which researchers say will be won by AI. This is because it will be intelligent enough to predict every possible conclusion of such warfare. This is the primary reason why people all over the globe are afraid of the second generation AI. There is one more stage in AI. The third and final stage of AI is called artificial superintelligence. Simply put, this is AI with superhuman powers and abilities. This is just chaos. The scenes on Earth will be just like scenes from a science fiction movie. This is the outcome of the evolution of second-level AI with thinking abilities. When this AI has learned everything there is to know, it will be a super-intelligent AI. It will know everything there is to know about the planet. It is like all the intelligence in the world put in one place. It is well-versed in all that science has to offer. It can also generate its sub-AIs that will be used to carry out additional tasks. It will arrive at a point known as a singularity, when someone or something approaches the limit of all knowledge in the world. This is referred to as a singularity. In other words, AI will rise to the status of God. It will be able to forecast the results of any action anywhere in the world. The AI will no longer require a physical body and will be able to move beyond the known boundaries of physical space. All of this may seem like something out of a science fiction film, but it is about to come true. These claims are supported by solid research. Scientists believe that this is possible within the next 50 to 60 years, and that it may even happen sooner as technology progresses. According to researchers, the transition from the first to the second stage may take some time, but the transition from the second to the third stage will be quick. But there is no escaping the truth that the coming era will be dominated by artificial intelligence. This AI will assist to improve our lives and establish a better society. Many tech CEOs like Elon Musk have publicly claimed that AI will take over the world soon and that it is too late to stop it. So it is up to us to at least try to slow it down, since there is nothing we can do now. However, these are all claims that may or may not be true. Maybe AI will just be a friendly neighbor. Perhaps humans will discover a way for us and AI to live and work together to establish a better world. When we talk about AI, there are a lot of things that may happen. We have no idea which one we will face in the future. We'll just have to wait and see. But don't forget to comment and let us know what you think about AI and its future. That brings us to the end of our video for today. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Make sure to share your thoughts on these incredible inventions in the comment section below. We hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, don't forget to like, comment, and share it, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Your efforts inspire us to create such amazing content for you. We'll see you in the next video.